Mr. Lynch, nice. Good morning, Mr. Simply, Mr. Simply. Or simply, 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 or simply them. Yesterday, it's April, it's April 7th. So, 7 days, it's April 2026, and it's Tuesday, today, I'm singing at totally clear. So, clear sky, this cat in general. It also seems destina now. Absolutely no wine, maybe in Syria, but in general, it's destina now. It's early after 13 and 12 minutes. 6 Fahrenheit, 17 Celsius, i software che si sono spingi period so support for SEO, so he could say fact chanted for yes, last June 17 about June at this point June 17 last year, and also the fact that we are really overcoming really for years, so the fact that as past sun, as past autumn, as past winter now, coming also for the spring, and so all around the seasons. It's completed all the seasons of Come Freeze, but what's an if the spring first only first days obviously it's we are in the first part for the fact that we enter it pratically 17 18 di seguito in particolare in March 20 at 10:01 a.m. in Italy where absolutely because sono boring change positive. I'm sure that there is other amazing something society intense ma propose fact if you should watch use better no perhaps for me maybe useful the precious for the summer the autumn and the winter is fact for the summer as was registered hot for the autumn and second registered soft for the winter just cool so that the general season so questa cosa che as a release that is for me always have more than to absorb copy at this point pratically in 2-3 days I can say for sure that we enter in officially starts the spring because since 2-3 days it's the perfect climate temperature, we have a perfect release for the spring here, so I think also for other people, however in general in some way for me, and the fact that in this, before these days practically, yes, in the previous practically 15 days was still cold, for me was in this period in general, for me was good. Instead, what has got to situazione generato sì for sure che si volesse really sì cambio fi ma facciamo this Ingeri different I think at temperature sì pitch for 67 Fahrenheit 17 Celsius but l'importante è che siamo sfidati ci vede si fa tu